When you have a running back like Tuten, you want to give him opportunities to make plays.
He's got the first down and then some.
It's a direct snap to Tuten, who has a hole, cuts it back. Tuten on his feet, breaks the tackles in the end zone for the touchdown.
The handoff to Tuten. Turns upfield. He's at the 45, midfield, and down to the 45.
That one goes back to Tuten. Stays on his feet. He's across the 30 to the 35 and is angled out of bounds.
Sharp mind. All in all, we heard many times this week. Nice run by Tuten.
Fowler giving to Tuten again. Tuten breaking outside, 35-40. It's a foot race to the corner and
an interception. Yeah, I think Tuten keeps on the field here as Bhayshul Tuten will cross all.
330 pounds, and they open up this hole for Bhayshul Tuten to the 30, 20, 10, and into the end zone.
Pitch toss to Tuten. Tuten makes a man miss. First down, waves into the end zone. Touchdown.
NCAT takes over here. Here's Bhayshul Tuten to the outside.